problem is the valve design. Many users find it hard to drink water because the valve needs too much beating force to release water. This makes drinking inconvenient, especially during long hikes when stopping after is not practical. Other products like Camelback and Ostrich use soft bite valves that allow water to flow easily with little effort. The high split lets the ergonomic design make it less comfortable and less efficient to use. The second problem is water leaking from the valve or hose connection. This usually happens because the valve or alternator is installed incorrectly using low quality pipe or phase high water pressure. Leak wastes water and can make the user and nearby item wet, reducing comfort and reliability during outdoor activity. Benchmark products like Platypus Big Zip Evo have leaked both chute of valve and quickly disconnect the fuses to prevent spill. Another problem is the dust cover, which does not have a handle or grip. It is hard to open, especially with weak hands or gloves, making it inconvenient to access water quickly. This increases the risk of the valve being exposed to dirty. Other products often have pull bar or handle to make it easier to use. High-split design leads this feature with effort, hygiene, and usability. Poor hose management. A common issue is how hoses are managed inside the backpack. Hoses often are tangled, twisted, and scattered, which can block other items like clothes or fruits. Tangled hoses can also stretch the connection point, cause bends or accidental disconnection. This affects convenience and can lead to leaks or damage to the hose and valve.
This design shows a dual-chamber hydration bladder for outdoor activities. It has two separate water bladders, which are bladder A and bladder B. Each bladder has its own opening, so users can fill and clean them separately. This allows users to carry two different drinks, such as water and isotonic, without mixing them. The hoses from both bladders come out from the bottom and connect using a Y connector and valve. This allows both liquids to flow into one mouthpiece. At the end of the tube, there is an on and off switch. This helps to control the flow and prevent leaking when the system is not in use. Overall, this design improves convenience and flexibility for users during outdoor activities. This sketch shows the second best design, which is a concept 8A. The hydration bladder is vertically split into two separate chambers. The divider in the middle keeps the two liquids completely separated. At the bottom, there are two screw-on caps. This allows each chamber to be filled and cleaned independently. From the top of the bladder, two small hoses come out and combine into one tube. This combined hose makes it easier for the user to drink using only one mouthpiece. The side view shows a tapered shape. The bladder is thicker at the bottom and slimmer at the top, which improves comfort when placed inside a backpack. Overall, this design allows users to carry two different drinks such as water and an energy drink in one unit while keeping the system simple and efficient. This sketch shows concept 4A, which is a waist-mounted hydration bladder. The main body is a large rectangular bladder with two internal storage sections. This allows users to carry two different liquids in one unit. The bladder is attached to a white strap with a strong plastic clip. This makes it easy to wear on the body without using a backpack. The bladder is also covered with an outer layer. This cover helps to protect the bladder and may provide insulation. A storage pocket is built into the strap. This pocket can be used to carry small items such as snacks or keys. Two hoses come out from the bottom of the bladder and join at a Y junction. Each chamber has its own valve, allowing the user to control or combine the liquids manually. Overall, this design provides a hands-free and convenient hydration solution for outdoor activities.
This slide shows the concept screening process using selection matrix tool. A total of 15 concepts were evaluated based on 10 main criteria, which is liquid source, flow control, safety features, drinking outlet, weight, load capacity, safety materials, maintenance, functionality, and ergonomics. The scoring system used positive, neutral, and negative symbol. Based on the result, concept 5 achieved the highest net as the first best sketch before the final design. This slide explains the final design based on three main aspects. First, for match to body dimension and anthropometry. The design allows users to carry two water supplies at the same time. The balanced layout distributes weight evenly on the body, making it comfortable to wear and reducing user fatigue. Next, for user interface consideration, the drinking outlet is easy to reach, the on and off valve provide clear flow control, and the hose can be easily detached for maintenance. Finally, in terms of aesthetic, the design has a symmetrical and balanced form with a clean, minimal, and functional appearance, giving it a modern and professional look.
For this stage, we developed a physical rough prototype of the height split bottle that closely follows our final design concept. The main purpose of this prototype is to test functionality, usability, and ergonomic rather than focusing on final appearance. This prototype represents the dual liquid hydration system, allowing users to carry and consume two different drinks using a single hands-free outlet.
The product shows the physical prototype from different angles. From the front view, we can see the dual compartment structure and overall size of the bladder. From the side view, the flexible material allows the prototype to fix naturally inside the hiking backpack. From the top view, clearly show the outlet part and tube connection points, which are important for flow, control, and liquid separation. Internally, the prototype consists of two fully separated compartments. One compartment is designed for plain water, while the another stores an isotonic or energy drink. The divider is placed between the compartment to ensure the liquid do not mix, even during movement or pressure. Each compartment has its own outlet port, allowing independent flow control.
Flow control and switching system. Each liquid compartment is connected to an individual on or off valve. This valve allows the users to select which liquid to drink at any time. When one valve is open, the another remains closed, ensure only one liquid flow through the system. In future, it's important for hikers who need to switch between hydration and energy drink based on physical condition. For the five is drink tube and mouthpiece and free function. Both liquid lines are connecting to a single drink tube that leads to a bite valve mouthpiece. The bite valve allows hand-free drinking, meaning the users do not need to stop or remove their backpack once the use bites and stop the valve liquid flow. When released, the valve automatically closes, preventing leaks.
This high-speed water was hygiene and dust protection features. To maintain hygiene, the prototype includes a dust cover for the mouthpiece. A small handle is attached to the dust cover, making it easier to open and close, especially while moving. This feature helps prevent dirt, dust, and bacteria from contaminating the drinking outlet during hiking. The high-speed water was ergonomic and user-handling. The prototype was designed to be lightweight and flexible, allowing it to fit comfortably inside a backpack. The tube length was adjusted to ensure easy access while walking. When filled, the dual compartments help distribute weight more evenly compared to carrying multiple bottles. This improves user comfort and reduces fatigue during long hikes.
A Y connector is used to combine the two drinking tubes into single outline line. Even though both tubes meet at the connector, the liquid do not mix because only one valve is open at the time. This allows user to drink from either compartment using one mouthpiece, simplifying the system and reducing tube clutter. The prototype includes an on-off switch control integrated into the mouthpiece. This switch allows users to control liquid flow directly at the mouth without adjusting the main valve. It acts as an additional safety feature to prevent accident flow and provide better control while hiking. Next, a clamp is attached to the drinking tube to secure it to the backpack strap. This keeps the tube within each reach and prevent it from the swinging during movement. The clamp improves accessibility and reduce distraction, especially during step or uneven trails.
Velcro attachment system. Velcro straps are used to organize and secure the tubes along the backpack strap. This helps keep the system neat, prevents dangling, and allow users to easily adjust tube position. Velcro was chosen because it is lightweight, flexible, and easy to open and reposition. One important feature of this design is a cap holder. Each water cap is attached to the bladder using a flexible holder strap. This prevents the cap from being lost when the user opens the bladder to refill water. In conclusion, the prototype successfully demonstrated the core functionality of the high-split bottle. The dual liquid separation, flow control, and hands-free drinking features all function as intended. While minor usability improvements are required, the prototype confirmed that the design concept is feasible, practical, and user-centered. These findings support further refinement toward a final product suitable for real-world hiking use.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hai, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Aida Yusrina. Sebelah saya ni Idham, iaitu end user untuk projek industri design. So, saya nak tanyalah dia. Kita orang dah pergi hiking tadi, Bukit Beruang. So, dia bawa produk kita orang, iaitu water blender 2-in-1. So, hari ni saya nak tanya pendapat dia. Apakah feedback untuk produk kita orang?
Okay, feedback untuk produk ni, dia memudahkan kita untuk menayak, hiking. So, maksudnya kita tak perlu nak buka beg, ambil botol air. Lepas tu, beg ni pun dia ringan dia bawa. Tak macam kalau kita bawa botol air, so dia macam berat sikit lah. Lepas tu produk ni orang kata apa hand free lah, tak perlu nak bawa botol air apa semua tu. Lepas tu kita boleh tukar-tukar air dalam satu masa sama lah. So tak perlu nak bawa 2 botol, saya nak air ni, saya nak air tu. So dia mudah lah.
To obtain feedback, our group visit Bukit Beruang to allow several hikers to test our product prototype. From the first user, who is Mr. Irham. Mr. Irham stated that the product allows for hand-free user, as user do not need to carry a water bottle. He also mentioned that it's convenient to switch between different types of drink within a short period of time without having to remove the backpack. Mr. Irham also gave us to improve our prototype. That is to adding auto cleaning feature near the valve to neutralize the liquid when switching between drink. Okay, for our second user, Ariana Batrisha said the product makes drinking more convenient during the hiking activities. User do not need to carry additional weight, as some hikers usually bring multiple water bottles. So for hikers who do not carry a backpack, the product eliminates the need to hold a water bottle throughout the hike. She mentioned that the product is especially helpful for users who experience fatigue or shortness of breath.
Next, I will talk about preliminary business strategy. First of all, our target market was hikers, outdoor enthusiasts, and active individuals. Second, we focus on users who carry both water and isotonic drink. Third, product promotion through media social and outdoor community. Fourth, collaboration with hiking influencers and sport groups. 5. Online direct-to-consumer sale to reduce operational costs. 6. Competitive and value-based pricing strategy. 7. Partnership with outdoor and sports equipment retailer. Last, continuous user feedback from product improvement. Contribution, hype, split to the betterment of society. First of all, the product promote proper hydration during outdoor activity. Second, encourage healthier and more active lifestyle. Third, reduce the need to carry multiple bottles while hiking. Fourth, improve comfort, efficiency, and safety for user. Fifth, help prevent dehydration and fatigue. 6. Support environmental sustainability through usable design. 7. Reduce plastic waste and material consumptions. Lastly, enhance overall quality of life for outdoor enthusiasts.